Hello everybody. We're going to do a quick review of the Tetra Module. So the main goal here is to be able to take one sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper. We can fold it into a double door fold, which will give us 4 separate sections of the paper that we can either cut with scissors or carefully tear. It's really up to the individual. And once we have those 4 long strips of paper, we will then take them separately, and I've done a close-up here so you can get a little bigger picture of what it's going to look like. And we're going to do a double door fold on those papers, but we're going to do it twice, one direction and then the other. And when we do that, it gives us something called a 16 grid. It divides the paper up into 16 little cells, which is pretty important. You want to crease your paper pretty thoroughly, and so when you do that, you have some really crisp lines to follow. Now, I've indicated where to cut or tear the paper after you have made the 16 grid. And it's very specific. On one side it's only one cut, or through one cell, and then on the other side it's through 2 cells. Once you do that, you can add glue to the one flap that you created and fold the paper over into something called a tent fold, which creates these little triangular solids. And you'll end up with 4 of them. They're all attached together. And what we do is we pinch the end of one of the tents and squeeze it inside the opposite one. And from there, we will get our first module. If we continue with this, we'll get 4 modules. And 4 modules give us enough pieces to create a tetrahedron, which is like a triangular pyramid. Or if we add 2 more modules, we can then have a star shape or a star structure, which is pretty cool too. Okay, it's just a different way of configuring the module. The module's not changing, it's just the way we put it together. That's what helps us to create this other shape. And there's probably a myriad of other designs. I really haven't explored that much. But there's probably many, many other things that you could come up with that are really clever. All right, what I'd like you to do is use this as a review. I am asking on the Viz Quiz that you create one module, not a tetrahedron, not a star, but just one of the strips. And then just put a couple dots glue on and attach that to your Viz Quiz. And that will suffice. Remember to embellish. It's a big part of this class is to embellish the things we do. So take the time to either put, patterns, designs, color, even words can be used as an embellishment. And I wish you the best of luck on this. You can review it as many times as you need to figure out how to create this thing. And good luck as always. Enjoy.